Let us see in this video how to create a cash payment voucher against purchase bills. A cash payment voucher against purchase bills is a financial document used to record and authorize cash payments made to a supplier or vendor for goods or services received based on the purchase bills. It ensures proper accounting, internal control, and documentation of cash outflow. Let us take one example of a cash payment voucher. Cashier, Cashier 1. Supplier name, Government e-Marketplace. Bills, Bill number 1, BILL 001, 5,000 rupees. Bill number 2, GEM 001, 4,000 rupees. This slide shows the cash payment workflow approval, which consists of two levels, reviewing and approving. First, after the entries are created by the creator, the document is forwarded to the supervisor for review. In order to review the document, once the supervisor has reviewed it, the document will be forwarded to the manager, who is responsible for approving it. Log in using the creator's username and password to create a cash payment voucher against purchase bills. Click the Login button, click Financials, then Transaction and, then Payment and Receipt. On the Payment and Receipt screen, click the Pending CR Documents button, then click the Pending Payables button. All pending payable documents will be listed with details such as party name, document type, bill number, bill date, bill amount, and pay amount. Select the documents to be paid, BILL 001, 5,000 rupees, GEM 001, 4,000 rupees. Click the Payment and Receipt button. Click the Create button. Click the Single and Merge option. Single, used to make a cash payment for a single party. Merge, used to make a cash payment for multiple parties in the same document. In the Type field, select Cash. Choose the payment date. And in the Cash/Bank field, select the cashier. Then, click OK. The cash payment voucher will be created. If any account was missed, add it using the Get Document option. Click Get Document. Click Pending 40 document. Select the required document and add it. If any bills were missed, click the Add button in the Line section, then select the Pending 40 document. To view selected bills, click the View button. Users can delete or change bill amounts if needed, but the amount cannot exceed the original bill value. Click the Create Journal checkbox. Once the journal is created, click View Journal to review it. The party account will be debited. The cashier account will be credited. Click Post to forward the document to the supervisor. Click OK. The document will be forwarded. Log in with the supervisor credentials. Navigate to the Approval screen. Click Detail to review the document. Once reviewed, click Approve to forward the document to the manager. Click OK. The document is now forwarded to the manager. Log in to the creator's login again to view the approved document. Click the Login button, click Financials, then Transaction, and then Payment and Receipt. On the Payment and Receipt screen, click Search to view the approved document. Thank you for watching this video.